Hi guys, Uncle Mike here again from Clearview. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the cover from the back of the mirror head here, in case you want to do what Ian's done, and that's colour match your covers to the paint colour on your car. And these look sensational, and they'll look really nice once they're on the car. So I'm going to get started, get on with it. So first thing we've got to do is we've got to remove this glass. So swing the mirror around, do that, push the glass in as far as it'll go, and then we've got to go over the top and we have to remove the top glass like that. Pretty easy, as you can see. Now this has got heater wires on it and it's got blind spot. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to let that hang there. It will stay all right. And we've got some screws in here that we need to release. We undo those 4 screws. I'll take these screws out. It's really good if you've got a magnetic screwdriver. I like to use a soft tool, right, because that way you don't damage anything. Right, this cover will loosen up. Now, that will give you enough on there to be able to break the grip of these little fingers that are on there. You can hear that coming away. Right, and just work your way around it. That's off. Bring those wires back up there. Put the glass and everything back into place. Make sure we get that in behind that trigger. And push that back on. When you get it on, just check for minimal movement. That's all pretty good. Have a look into the glass at an angle and look at a building at 40 or 50 metres away. And if the building looks nice and straight, you know that you've got your glass sitting on correctly. If the glass has got like a bit of a bow in it, you'll see the building, it'll be just out of whack. You'll know as soon as you look in that whether it's sitting on properly. So now that we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to pop the cover on. So you've got a couple of tags here. You set the 2 tags in at the back there, right? And make sure that you get this corner in here, right? Just hold that in as you're going down, and hold downward pressure on here and pull back on that, right? You'll find that it will go down and it will go into place like that, and then just give it a tap. All good. So